we have chosen to walk different ways, different pathways. I have my child with you, and we get misunderstandings. You get into a new marriage. You're bringing your husband to visit my child on visitation day without my knowledge. Are you fine?
You see, now, this is where men go wrong now. You're bringing in the other issue of the
same. No. The same thing is it's visitation day.
On the mother side, yes.
Why are you, the father, putting in the phone number of your new wife as the mother to the child when the mother of the child is present?
No, because this is, you see, sometimes, Mr. Jeter, their parents were very irresponsible, really.
Mm-hmm.
We must agree in this. When divorce happens, they are very irresponsible parents. You find the mother is irresponsible or the father is irresponsible. So, and the woman chooses to have a responsible man. Actually, the stepfather of this child proves beyond even the father. Okay, and feels that she is secure when she puts details of her new husband to school in case there is an emergency. They call her stepfather. I mean, they call the stepfather of the child. He's more responsible than the actual father of this child.
Yeah, I like that point where you're asking, what if the stepfather or the stepmother is proving to be more responsible than the actual mother? That I agree with. Like I'd said earlier on, if the parent is not posing a threat to the child, don't substitute the parent who is alive. You can be with your wife, give birth to your children, your new wife or your new husband, set your new rules there. But remember, this child you have, you are both their parent from the word go when they came here. You had plans for them. You had rules for them. Just because your emotional or love connection has broken is not justifiable enough to bring another partner and put. That's what I'm saying. Don't bring the child, that woman, and put them in the child's file at school as the mother. When the mother is still alive, is responsible, is fully engaged in the child's process, and is willing to support. Don't put this man as in the position of the father because you broke up with the father of the child. Now you have a new husband.
Actually, let me tell you, others have been declared dead.
Do you know that it is a criminal offense? Bagenda basira ebyekisiru bakulu bannange. Omuzadde w'omwana wabanga akyali mulamu. The man is alive or the wife is alive. Mention them to the schools. Let me give you an example. We've got challenges. NIRA has been registering students. And they are telling us mother's name, father's name, mother's name, father's name. You are calling into the database given to you. And the man is telling you, I'm not the real father. Let us look for the father. And you're like, why are you in the records as the father?
I may be paying the fees. I may be paying the school fees of these children.
Now,
where do you want me to belong as a man? From the one who took up the paying of school fees.
Do you know that there are some parents who broke up and the women, just because they're in positions of power, they have proved and they have taken up full custody of the children? The man is not given access to the children. Some of you parents are misusing the law because you have connections and you're taking full custody of children. And now you're telling the child your father no longer pays school fees. But you want me to be financially present in my child but physically absent. I am not stupid. I want to be there. You want me to pay the school fees, but I can't see my child in school. Gentlemen, please.